To fix an Apple Watch that is not syncing with Strava, there are several potential reasons for the issue, including minor glitches or a corrupted app. Fortunately, resolving the problem can be straightforward. Initially, try restarting your device. For the Apple Watch, hold down the crown and side buttons until the power-off slider appears. Then switch it off and on again. For the iPhone, hold down the volume and side buttons. Swipe the power-off slider, and then press the side button to turn it back on. If restarting does not work, try logging out and then logging back into the Strava app on your iPhone. To do this, access the app, tap the Settings option, select Log Out, and then sign back into your account. If the issue persists, uninstalling and reinstalling the Strava app may resolve the problem. Simply delete the app from your iPhone, download it again from the Apple Store, and follow the installation instructions. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Apple Watch and get it syncing with Strava again.